If your website looks like this when you try to open it, and you can only access it after clicking Advanced and then proceed to your domain, plus you see a not secure warning with an exclamation mark in the address bar, that means your website is being flagged as not secure by the browser. To fix this, you need to install SSL or TLS. Watch the tutorial to learn how to do it. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer. It's a security protocol used to encrypt data sent between a website and a browser. Today, SSL has been replaced by a newer and more secure technology called TLS, Transport Layer Security. However, the term SSL is still commonly used. You can tell a website is using SSL or TLS when you see HTTPS in the URL and a log icon in the browser address bar. Alright, let's move on to how to install SSL or TLS. First, look into your cPanel. On the cPanel dashboard, type SSL or TLS status in the search bar. You will see a list of domain URLs. As you can see, some domains are marked in green and some in red. Green means SSL or TLS is already installed. Red means SSL or TLS is not installed yet. Check the domains that are still marked in red, like this, then click Run SSL. The process will take a few seconds. Alright, it's done. Wait about 5 seconds for the page to refresh. You can see that the domain URL has now turned green. Now let's open the website again and refresh the page. Perfect. The log icon is now visible, which means SSL has been successfully installed. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials.